Aerialoop has built a game-changing solution, an urban, drone-based aerial logistic network, with hubs strategically located within population centers and ultrafast drone flights, seamlessly connecting them. Drones fly the middle mile, sector-to-sector logistics, 3 to 30 kilometers, and traditional low-cost ground vehicles for last mile, 1 to 2 kilometers. This multimodal system is the most efficient for citywide logistics, no longer bound by congested streets or limited access. This specific flight is transporting medical samples from a collection center to a processing lab. A land route of 1.5 hours, flown in just 7 minutes. We are already an integral part of a city, with streets, hospitals, laboratories, e-commerce, and aerial loops. We have already flown the Violet Line more than 15,000 times and commenced operations on the red, yellow, and orange lines. With the world's first permits granted by any civilian authority at this urban level, in Quito, we have established a 6-hub, 16-route network that connects anywhere to anywhere through 15-minute flights. We have vertically integrated all core technologies for high-scale urban operations. Our unique vertical takeoff drone can carry up to 8 kilograms, equivalent to the payload capacity of a motorcycle or small car, in all weather conditions. We've also designed a larger drone with quadruple redundant flight characteristics for maximum safety and a payload capacity of 50 kilograms, replacing cars and trucks for middle-mile deliveries. Most our core technologies are patent pending. From the outset, Aerialoop has concentrated on urban drone logistics, boasting over 3 years of experience and tens of thousands of packages delivered over cities with multi-million populations. By developing core technology and cultivating operational expertise for these intricate urban environments, we have discovered a unique operational model that positions us at the forefront of this tremendous market opportunity. Most drone delivery companies do not have a path to positive unit economics. We did not until we shifted from single routes to developing urban drone logistic networks. I think we will see most competitors following suit. The economics are simple. You need both reach, multiple hubs spread throughout cities, and volume, connecting high-density urban areas, to have the desired consolidation of packages per autonomous flight to achieve an order of magnitude reduction in cost per order. Imagine the impact. Thousands of flights a day over a city, seamlessly delivering goods and bypassing the traffic below. With contracts with the largest parcel delivery company in Latam, Servientrega, and many others, we are scaling the world's largest urban operations. Our networks have proven their reliability, efficiency, and safety, impacting citywide logistics. Aerialoop will transport billions of packages across cities globally. Aerialoop logistics networks contribute directly to meeting 3 Sustainable Development Goals from the United Nations. Trucks emit a staggering 94 tons of CO2 annually, cars 62, and even motorcycles 43. Now with autonomous drones, we are slashing emissions to practically zero.